Wait till from him?
No, not from him. It was the police. It was the whole ex-police. Oh, you weren't a fan of his handballs?
Oh, God. They're so good.
Mambo's clean, though, right?
What?
Mambo's clean, though, right? Looks like a clean guy.
What? What's your problem with Mambo?
Whooping his ass, gonna whoop his ass, I'll whoop yours ass.
How was Bean Big?
You don't like Mambo's cooking?
Oh, it's good.
You don't like Mongo's cooking?
No.
Why?
Because the burger tastes like shit in the fucking toilet.
Tastes like ass.
Prime, why you gotta do something stupid, Prime? Try to score a run. You think you're gonna score a run. It's gonna be a shutout, Prime. I'm dominating, like I'm gonna dominate everybody, like champion.
Not yet, you gotta be down a lot.
Oh, Joe Terry, you wanna